Hi guys, I just want to say hi. And, sorry. And I just want to say hi, and I'm making a video today because I want to. But, yeah. And I just want to say I had fun today at club because we went on this jet ski. I need to come my window. We went on jet ski and it was fun, and yeah. And I just want to say hi and thank you for watching my videos, getting me lots of viewers because I like when you guys do that. And Heather, I'm really sorry about today, and I'm really sorry for fighting with you. And guys, don't ask or comment why I fight it with her, I just did. And I'm really sorry, and I won't do it again. And I'm gonna buy you a big Nick Jonas poster to forgive you, so you can forgive me, and I'll never do it again. So yeah. So yeah. Okay, and so yeah, guys. So it's 5:42 p.m. here, and yeah. And I just want to say that I'm making a video because I'm bored and I don't know what else to do. So, yeah. And my face is red because so, guys, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow or tonight because my friend's sleeping over, so we will make videos. So, bye. Love you guys.